Welcome to an Andaz Seaview room. Now this room has a sea view but no balcony. The regular Andaz room will look just like this. It's identical but without the sea view. So right over here we have the water closet. I love the detail on that toilet paper dispenser with the bird, so cute. You have a single sink, full-size products. Now this is really neat. This is a shower tub combination. You can see here is the shower with the rainfall shower head, and there's even a privacy curtain as well. There is a door that you can close, and lots of mirrors throughout. Tons of natural, beautiful lighting. Here in the closet, you're going to find the safe, as well as some drawers, slippers, and I'm thinking that's some type of steamer. I've never seen one like that before. I just got a nod that yes, that is a steamer. The robes, as you can see, robes and slippers are included for all guests, and there's also an ironing board in case you're not sure how to use that fancy steamer over there. Now this room is available as both a king bed as well as 2 beds. And over here you can see that beautiful sea view. Now another feature is the option to have adjoining doors, and what's really cool is that it's hidden behind that mirror. And then there you go, there's the door. So how awesome is that? Absolutely beautiful. So you wouldn't even know it was there unless someone like your amazing travel agent told you. Now over here is tea and a coffee station in the room, as well as the mini bar. Now, if you do want anything from the mini bar, there is an extra charge for that. And you do have the menu over here, but you can scan and get all of that pricing. Now, right here is your selection of teas. And this is complimentary.
And also no alcoholic beverage. So, for example, juices and any kind of sodas and extra waters are complimentary.
Oh, nice.
Yes, the only that we charge is the alcoholic options.
Awesome. So if you drink the Sky vodka or the beer, there's a cost, but the juice and water, completely complimentary. Wow, that's awesome because nobody is really doing that. And I love this desk, and she showed me earlier in the suite this nice feature of the desk that you open this up and it's a vanity. Oh my gosh, how beautiful is that? And a flat screen television, and also plenty of USB plugs. You're going to find a total of 6 in the room, as well as with this universal plug here. So if you brought your laptop or something that needs to be plugged up completely, you do have the universal plugs there. And so this actually has 1 USB on each side. So this room, you actually have a total of 4 USBs. In the suite, you will find 6. And of course, some more complimentary water for you there. So I hope that you've enjoyed seeing this room. If you have any questions or if you'd like to book it, be sure to give Made for Elite Travel a call. And remember, I only travel elite.
Or be just like somebody has a free day and they want to have dinner here. It's also an option.
And then we're right across from the Kiel Mall, so you can just walk right over to do some shopping. No need to even take a taxi. So also located up here, beautiful sofas and gorgeous views of Dubai.